Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you a tutorial of how to create a new virtual machine in the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. Now what this does is you can run another operating system inside your host operating system. My host operating system is Windows 7 64-bit. You will need at least 2 GB of RAM. If you have 1 GB of RAM, you can only run machines that run on 256 default RAM or 512, but I recommend at least 2 GB of RAM. So let's get started. Click on New, click on Next. Right now I have a CD in my drive called Linux Ubuntu, so I'm just going to call this Ubuntu version 11.04, and when you type it in, it should automatically recognize it. You click Next. 512 is what it recommends, so we'll do that. We click Next. We'll create new disk, start up disk. We click on virtual disk image, VirtualBox disk image, dynamically allocated. 8 GB should be good. Let's do actually let's do about 20 GB, 19.56. That's good enough. Click create. Create. Okay, now you have created the virtual machine. We go on its settings, make sure it is highlighted. Okay, now that we have the general, we all leave this alone. System, the boot device you want is CD-ROM, so we'll move the floppy disk. We'll just uncheck it because we don't have a floppy. We'll just use CD-ROM as a default for now to install the operating system. Leave all of this alone. If you have 2 processes, then you use that, but I just have 1. Display, video memory, we all leave this alone. I guess we can enable 2D and 3D acceleration. Storage, okay, we click on the disk icon here, choose host drive D, since that is where my disk is, or you can open a .iso file from wherever you stored it on your hard drive. Okay, you leave everything else alone, looks like, and click OK. It will save the settings and you can click start.